Let's learn some colors name. Brown color, purple color, yellow color, red color, green color, sky blue color, pink color, parrot color. Let's learn some alphabets. A for aeroplane. B for bus. C for car. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for pen. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. Thanks for watching. Bye.